I just picked up a few simple ingredients from Whole Foods to make chicken yakitori. Welcome back to Eat, Play, Live. I'm Sasha and Anesa, and we will be making a very Japanese dish today, chicken yakitori. But we're going to make it much healthier. So, when I went to Japan, I saw when they made their chicken yakitori, they had all different cuts of meat. They had the skin, they had the hearts, all of these cuts that are not exactly known for being healthy. I couldn't even eat the skin ones. It's just fat. So this, we're gonna make a little bit more healthy by using chicken breasts. In Japan, from a Japanese chef named YAKITORI-san, she taught me that the skin that you're using from the ginger, you can use as soap. And at first I had no idea what that really meant. But after we were cooking fish, she had a pile of ginger skin just like this, and instead of using soap, you rub this on your fingers. And it disinfects it, and also you can smell your hands after, and it doesn't smell like fish at all. It's pretty amazing. I'm gonna cut that right in there. Take it down. That adds a little bit of fresh. You can smell it, it's gonna taste delicious. So I have that. Just finally like that. Traditionally, there's always a piece of scallion on yakitori, and so we're gonna keep to that tradition and do that today. We have these mushrooms. We cut them in half. And while I was doing all of this, I had skewers soaking in water. The reason we do this is so that when we actually have this on the fire, it doesn't burn. Now this marinade with the chicken, it would be amazing if you marinate it with this overnight, or just even a couple of hours. So, once you have this, we're going to take a piece of chicken, skewer it through. And a mushroom, a scallion. Something else I saw in Japan is that they have yakitori stands everywhere. If you want to get some food on a stick, you can find that in Japan. It's a very big thing. It's been around for a long time.
Further back.
Earlier. Presentation is important. It makes for a more enjoyable meal. So you place these here. Wow, the flavor from that teriyaki sauce we made was amazing. So if we were to get a chicken yakitori like this in Japan with the skin and the hearts, that would be about 584 calories and 233 calories from fat. The way that we did it by adding mushrooms and making our own sauce, it's 281 calories with 38 calories from fat. So you really can't beat that. And this is definitely delicious. Just remember, healthy does not need to be boring.